Welcome back to the Nasdaq Sniper Academy. Tonight, we caught a power bar reversal after hours. I usually don't trade after hours, but if the setup is there, you got to take it. Let's take a look at what a power bar reversal setup at a beautiful place of support looks like on the Nasdaq. Let's take a look. All right, so what we had a nice area of support, and let me just get out the way a little bit. There you go. So right down here, you could see, bam, price came and hit this support level, right? So I was looking at that thinking, okay, that looks like a nice area for reversal. We see price hit that and had a nice reaction. I'm looking at the 30-minute higher time frame. So I'm just zooming in to see, okay, looks like we have a 30-minute green bar right here. So I said, okay, looks like price is bouncing off this area of support. I go to the 2-minute and I see a nice power bar. This is a nice power bar right here. You see these 1, 2, this is on the 2-minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red bars taken out by 1 green bar. So this is the power bar reversal. Bam. That 1 bar, and the body of it is nice. It's about 75%. You see how price came down from about 9:30, hit this area of support. On the 1-minute chart here, you see this big power bar. Right? And you see how, look at all these small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, just taken out by 1 big green bar. So it came into the fair value gap, so we added on the 1-minute chart. Because this is my confirmation. This is all I need to see. When you see 1 big, huge bar engulf about 5 or 6, 7 or 8 of these other ones, that's a tank, folks. These little guys, these are little soldiers. Big tank showed up. So now I'm switching teams. I'm going with the green team. So we get in for 2. And, it's funny because I actually forgot that I put a $700 profit max on my account. I was really hoping to have a runner all day and make a lot more, but I forgot this is Lucid. It's a Lucid funded account. It has a 40% consistency. So some days it's not even smart to make 2K in a day. You just got to find a sweet spot. So I'm fast forwarding this whole thing so we can get to the good stuff and see what happened here. But I just wanted you to see, what the setup looks like, right? When you see price coming down for 7 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, whatever, and you get this big power bar on the bottom here, that's when you know you're about to get the reversal. And the reversal trades are some of the best trades. Folks, I'm only doing it two micros. I made $700 with just 2 micros. You can see I'm up $500 so far right here, 490. And then, so this is a recap video, of course, but so I'm up 500. So I trail, you just want to lock in one pretty quick.
Stop filled.
And then, locked in $187 or whatever. Now I'm bringing my stop to break even. So now what I'm looking at is areas of, where it can go to. I'm looking at the 2-minute, the 5-minute, how high can we go, right? And
stop filled.
I decided, let me go ahead and just lock in my second, because you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green bars. It's going to pull back. So why not go ahead and lock in? Because it came into this fair value gap right there. And, it's going to reject. It's going to come back. It's going to consolidate. So let me go ahead and just catch it on this pullback into this fair value gap. So you see, I've just put 1 micro. This is a 2-minute chart, so it's going to get a rejection off of that 2-minute parent, which is the 200 SMA. It's going to come down into this gap. But sometimes I'm not patient enough, so I'm watching it, I'm watching the price action. I want it to come into the gap, which eventually it does, but I know this is power. I know this is green. I know this is going to just consolidate and then, come into this area. I got my trend line drawn. It's going to come into this area here and then continue up. So I can't wait anymore. I'm like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and let me just trail it from behind then, because I really know that this is guaranteed money.
Stop filled.
So I get in for 1 there, right? And I just want to watch, because I know it's going to consolidate. And then once it consolidates and breaks, then I'm going to add another one. So 20 minutes goes by. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, about 20 minutes. Bam, we get to consolidation.
Order filled.
Than I even thought, but nevertheless, it breaks. So now we add. You got to be patient sometimes, folks. You got to give yourself room for the trade to play out. You look, this is like 50 points. This thing came down 50 points. I had to let it come down for you. I can't just get stopped out for 10 points or 12. No, give yourself like 100-point space, man. Give yourself space, especially when each bar is like 80 points sometimes nowadays, folks. So you got to give yourself, that's why I'm only doing 1 or 2 micros, because I got to give myself the room. So finally we get this break, right, of this consolidation. And then, so we add. And I'm just going to fast forward it real quick here. Just so you can see, what you can expect. Now, this is after hours trade, and I usually don't trade after hours, but the setup was good. This power bar right here was all I needed to see. But anyway, so price starts to take off, right?
Filled.
And then I'm like, oh, it's timing out. What happened? I'm like, I want to make more money. Oh, I forgot I had the $700 max. I forgot the consistency thing. So, well, there you have it, folks. That's how you make $700 in 45 minutes with just 2 micros. When you find a power bar at a support level, nice reversal trade after the market's been going down for 10, 12 hours. And you see that power bar take out, that tank shows up and takes out about 5 or 6 soldiers. That's when you get in, you be patient, you keep your stop according to the structure, you wait, you take your profit, and you make your money. The Nasdaq Sniper here giving you the game. Come check us out at school.com. Come visit us at the Nasdaq Sniper Academy. We just had one of our students graduate, and she is the Nasdaq Whisperer, matter of fact. You could check out her channel on YouTube as well. She just passed a Lucid 25K account in 4 days. So she is a master sniper now. She's almost at elite sniper status, to be honest with you. She's doing fantastic. So anyways, folks, happy trading. God bless. Give God the praise. Spend time with your family and stay focused.